Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to actually get this up before the end of the month. Can you believe this? Boxycharm was right on time with their deliveries, and I got my Luxe, or not the Luxe, but the Premium and the base box both today, so I knew that I had to sit down and film this and get this up as soon as possible for you. I'm so excited to see what's inside. So we're gonna start with the base box, which this retails for $25 US. So in Canada, it is a little bit more expensive, but I like it so far. I've been quite enjoying it. So this is what the inside looks like, a little sneak peek. And our theme this month is Boxycharm Lucky. So they always send this card with all of the product details on the back, which I will be sharing everything with you guys. And yeah, so I do have a, I guess a referral code with Boxycharm. It's not affiliated or anything like that, but I will definitely leave the details down below with all of that information for you. So the first product I see here is the 111 Skin Celestial Black Diamond Contour Gel. So this retails for $140. Wow. And this contour gel is a peptide packed treatment gel specifically developed to focus on deep set lines and wrinkles due to a loss of elasticity around the eyes and lips. Wow. I can't believe it's $140, so this better work. I do like anti-aging products. So that is the component right there. And then when you open it, oh cool, you get this I don't know, it's like a metal applicator, so I guess it will kind of give like a soothing sensation underneath the eyes. That's pretty interesting. I'm excited to try that. So next we have the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara, which retails for $26. So it says, this creamy mousse formula was developed with a special blend of whipped melting waxes that deliver an immediate full load of extreme volume without a heavy feel. Innovative polymers keep lashes flexible while lifting, lightening, and lengthening and locking in 24 hours of smudge-proof, flake-resistance curl. Wow. So that is the outer packaging right there, very reflective. I have been wanting to try this. And then the mascara. I'll show you what the wand looks like. Probably gonna finish a couple of the mascaras in my collection before jumping into this one, but it's really pretty. And I like the wand. I like those fluffier ones. I find that it lifts the lashes and gives them a lot of volume. So we'll see if this one does the same thing. Next we have the Maven Beauty Maven Rose Water Setting Spray. Set your intentions in your makeup with this aurora lifting antioxidant packed rose water setting spray. Mist all over your finished look to lock it down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. This retails for $22. Wow. I'll be excited to test that out and see if it works. Not a huge fan of rose scented products. Let me just smell this. Okay, that doesn't smell too bad, but look at how creamy it is. Probably has to be shaken up, but that is what the outer packaging looks like. It does smell nice, though I don't find that it has an overpowering rose scent. Then we have the Cosmetics, the setting spray, I don't know if I mentioned it, $22. Then I have the Cosmetics Hydrating Lip Oil. Say goodbye to dry and thirsty and say hello to juicy, hydrated lips. Your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Swipe this formula on for comfortable, juicy lips all day long. This retails for $20. Ooh, look at the shade that we got. It's very pretty. Oh, it smells like a pina colada. I don't want to put it on because I don't want to wear any gloss today, but that is what it looks like. So I will definitely have to test that out. And last but not least, we have the Illuminati Cosmetics Cosmetic Sponge, which retails for $21. An edgeless, reusable, high-definition cosmetic sponge applicator. Cool, I love getting sponges. Oh, nice. It's a bit firm. Obviously, it's not wet, but I will definitely have to give this a try and see how we like that. So that is the base box. I gotta say, I'm quite impressed with this month's box. We didn't get any like eyeshadow palettes or anything like that, but I'm actually okay with that because I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. So this was the Boxycharm base box this month. And now we'll get into the premium box. This one I'm always excited for. It's the same. Lucky, actually, I'm filming this on St. Patty's Day too. Yeah, we're Wednesday the 17th. So happy St. Patrick's Day. So this is this box here. Oh, weird. So they have all the products laid out here, and then they even have one down there. So let's get into that. I'm kind of curious to see what this one out of the packaging was, but we'll see. Oh, okay. I'll go in order as it is on the card. So we have the Cypress Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer Shimmer Palette Set. So it says here, this pairing packs technology forward skincare first illumination and shimmer. The illuminating eye serum and primer creates the optical illusion of a brightened eye area, while the shimmer palette offers active buildable shimmer for you for your eyelids and skin. This set is made exclusively for Boxycharm and is not for resale. This retails for $145. I guess if it's not for resale, they're able to, and if it's like only for Boxycharm, they're kind of able to put any price that they want on it, right? I don't know. I'm kind of skeptical about this one. Let's see what it is. Okay, so this is the Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer. I guess we did get a palette in this one. That is very thick. I kind of want to test them out on my hand. It's like a thick milk consistency. That's what it looks like there. I mean, it did create like a shine, but... And then you have this palette. That's the outer packaging there. That's got a mirror. And then that's the inner packaging. So let's just, they're all shimmery colors. I can try and swatch a couple. Let's swatch the first four. Well, that's not a lot of payoff. Let me try swatching it on the hand. They all look the same. Oh, I just swatched the... Okay, I think I see how it works now. So there they are there. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I actually swatched the gold on the serum. And you can see it's a little bit more pigmented. So let me just put some serum on my other hand and then swatch a color on top of it. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to work or what. I'm gonna go in with the pinky shade. And I'm gonna swatch it right on top. I don't know. There it is right there. I mean, you can definitely see it. I don't know if that's really worth the hype though. I don't know. I'll have to play around with it and see what I think. I guess we'll give it a go. Hey, if it's only one dead, that's not too bad, right? Okay, so I just can't believe it's $140. $45, sorry. Then we have the Glow Skin Beauty Hydra Bright Alpha Arbutin Drops. Okay, I guess it's this. What does this do? These reformulated drops promote an even skin tone and visibly diminish dark spots. Oh, I got some of those. And physically diminish dark spots and hyperpigmentation. This hydroquinone-free supercharged serum is powered by alpha arbutin, a natural plant-based alternative which imparts a natural lit from within glow. This retails for $54. Wow. Let's see what this guy looks like. Okay, so it's in a glass jar. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, wow. Okay. My hands will be really hydrated. Oof, that's really scented. Wow, it is hydrating. Oh, it smells strong though. I'll have to test it out and see. Like, it did leave a glowiness on my hand. I'll test it out and see. I mean, if it diminishes hyperpigmentation and blemishes and everything, I'm definitely all for trying that. Although I doubt that it'll beat my drunk elephant, because my drunk elephant is my holy grail. So that was for $54. Okay, so now we have the Rowan Beauty. Is it this one? Yeah. So the Rowan Beauty Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm. Oh, wow. A non-sticky alternative to classic lip gloss, this liquid lip balm soothes the lips as it nourishes, regenerates, and repairs. Formulated with mango and grapeseed oils to hydrate and protect, it provides the high shine of a gloss with the nourishment of a balm. Nice, and this is $26. It's a little pricey. And we have the shade in Charlie. So that is the outer packaging. Ooh, this is definitely my kind of shade. So pretty. Okay, I'm gonna swatch this one. Ooh, and it's minty too. Oh, I love this shade. It's so pretty. It's like a subtle gloss, but it is pigmented. There, that is there. It's a really pretty color. Super minty. So I'm excited to test that out. Cool. Then we have the Beauty Diva Eye Brush Set. So perfect your eye looks with this cruelty-free brush set for eyeshadow and primer, or eyeshadow and eyeliner, sorry. And this is a value of $48. And it is also a Boxy exclusive. These are very orange. Cool. So we get 4 different brushes. Take them out of the packaging. So I've got them all out of the packaging. These feel really cheap, like dollar store cheap. I doubt that they're worth $48. I don't know. That's what they look like there. So you get a couple blending sponges, like an eyeliner, and then like an all over shadow brush, I think. I don't know. We'll see. We'll have to test them out in a video and see what we think. So the next product, oh, this I was actually intrigued about. So this is the Go-To Skincare Exfoliating Swipies. These single-use exfoliating pads soaked in all-natural solution get rid of dead skin cells and hydrate the skin. The well-documented effectiveness of lactic acid, the most gentle of all AHAs, is combined with an ultra-hydrating essential oil to create a face exfoliator that thoroughly removes dead skin cells, refines skin texture, and minimizes the appearance of fine lines and deeply moisturizes. So this is $35. That is the outer packaging. Oh, it's pretty. And that is the packaging of the wipes. And we've got the wipes inside. So they just, oh, they smell very fragrant. They smell nice though. We'll try that out. And they're just like, kind of like oxy pads, I guess. Then we have the Real Her lip liner duo. More lip liners. I've got a big collection of lip liners now. Lip your lips. Wow. Okay, it's a liner duo, and it's by the brand Real Her. Oh, those cleansing wipes, $35. Sorry, I didn't know if I mentioned that. So these Real Her lip liner duo line your lips with ease. This creamy formulation is infused with jojoba seed oil and shea butter, providing a smooth application and natural matte finish. Choose between deep nude and true red, while preventing your favorite lipstick, matte or moisturizing, from bleeding or feathering. And this set is $25. So this is the outer packaging. These are the 2 lip liners right there. And I will do a swatchy swatch of each one. So this one is in the shade, do they have shade numbers? Oh yeah. Be yourself, be real her, I guess. This, I'm assuming, is the red tone right there. It's pretty. And then this one is, I'm getting lip liner all over me. I Am Confident. Oh yeah, this is definitely like a pinky brownie nude color right there. Pretty, really pretty actually. And that was it. That was all the products in the Luxe and in the regular Boxycharm. So I know that I forgot to leave the prices. I always seem to do that for the base box and the premium. So I'm gonna leave the tallies after each unboxing of how much the total was, and you guys will be able to see. So yeah, so that was everything that I got this month for the month of March in my Boxycharm. So I hope that you guys enjoyed, and if you like Boxycharm unboxings, definitely give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I hope that you are all doing well and that you will subscribe if you're not already, and definitely hit that bell for notifications if you wish to be advised when I upload next. Bye guys!